so many ways wherever possible to improve our academic standards. So Inventure is doing that. So they are not, Inventure is not thinking about their own children, they are thinking about the surrounding schools also, like government schools. So it is really, obviously I am very happy that they have taken a very good step.
A child's health is the one major requirement that actually sums up their entire lifespan. If they're healthy today and we sustain their health tomorrow and day after, they will be able to actually live a healthy future.
We're just being good citizens to Bangalore and to our country, and honestly we have privileges that these kids don't, and so we thought it's time to give back or at least help out in ways that we can.
The kind of food that they eat are mostly biscuits, chocolates, everybody, the parents just buy them everything. And most of them have a lot of cavities. At some point, they will need treatment. Prevention is better than cure. So we're trying to catch them early, treat them early.
As kids, we never got this opportunity to serve the society. So all that they used to tell us in the school is that, okay, you concentrate on your studies. The Inventure people, they are giving an opportunity for the kids to, grow up as a person, as a good citizen, as a good personality, as a good human being. That's the most important thing.
I'm an eye specialist, and I naturally feel that vision is an extremely important part of our functioning in daily life. So I'm so happy to have seen some of these kids. They didn't even know that there was a vision problem there going on, and because of this initiative by Inventure, they've been found to have issues there. It can be treated and they can function better in their life, and I feel that's great.
Feels good. Feels like I'm doing something for the society. And I hope inspiring the kids in Inventure as well, that we've taken a bit of time to come and help.
They're happy, they're cheerful, they're coming in here like it's just some other one of the other games that they're playing over there. Mixing fun and games with a health checkup is a wonderful idea for the kids to cooperate so nicely for an eye checkup at least.
We as adults come in is just with the conceptualization and letting them know what the scope and the ambit of the project is, and then they just picked it up and ran with it. Maybe it's the culture at Inventure now. They've seen us organize so many events and they know how it's done. But I've been watching, I've been observing, and I see where we can have more learning. These are life skills, life lessons. They've learned the teamwork has amazed me, that they will put their personal feelings aside and work towards this, their enthusiasm. What has really touched me is the way they have related to these students. I've seen these kids piled on top of the Inventure students and they're loving it. They're taking selfies together and loving it. That kind of relationship has been, for us, that has been an eye-opener today.
The amount of privilege we were given it should be equal. We should have the same tests, we should have the same education, and unfortunately that's not the case, so we tried to level the playing field as much as we could.
ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಎಲ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಏನೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಸ್.
ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
बहुत अच्छा लगा और सब है इधर.
Just the joy of giving back. When you see those smiles on those children at the end of the day, it just feels so good.
Through exposures like this, students will learn that it's very satisfying to give back. And what I always say is that we get more out of it than than they do. So that's what they should understand. I think that's the takeaway for them. Today everybody's feeling good and very happy because they've done something worthwhile. And I think they've created happiness for someone else. And that's what we want them to get hooked on.
सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे यहाँ पर इंसानियत सीखते हैं, जिसे ह्यूमैनिटी कहते हैं। वो पहली चीज़ हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ के अंदर। अगर वो हो जाए तो कहाँ पे भी सक्सेस, कोई भी सक्सेस नहीं बोल के नहीं बोल सकता। हर एक जगह उनके लिए जगह ही जगह है।
ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆಲ್ ಚಪ್ ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.